Hi guys and welcome back. This video will be a very effective and helpful video for people that are just getting started with LinkedIn. So if you're just a beginner, I hope this video will help you understand LinkedIn better and help you grow your personal brand and your business. And if you're looking for jobs, hopefully this will help you to get a job for yourself using LinkedIn. So, first of all, when you go to linkedin.com, you'll see a page just like this. So from here, you need to sign in. If you haven't just signed, created an account, you need to sign. You need to create an account by clicking here. You can click on new to LinkedIn and then join. It will ask for your email address, your full name, and then you'll be able to log into your account. So I already have an account, so I'm gonna skip that part and just log in with my email. You can also log in with your email if you want. So once you have logged into your account or your LinkedIn profile, this is the home page. So here you'll see the posts from people that you are following on LinkedIn. When you first create an account, LinkedIn will show you some recommended accounts that you can follow, and once you follow them, their post will pop up on your feed. So this is just like Facebook, but the interface is a little bit different and more simple than Facebook has tons of more feature, but LinkedIn is pretty simple and straightforward. So once you're on this page, this is the home page. You'll see people's page. So one of the biggest recommendation that most people will give you on LinkedIn is to connect with more people and um, leave comments on their post and try to interact as much as possible. So the more you comment on people's posts, the more they will engage with you, the more they will learn, know about you, and they will be more eager to connect with you. So let's say I like this post of this person. I'm gonna leave a quick comment. So amazing video, Parker. For this video, I'm just leaving a quick and generic comment, but it's highly recommended that you watch the video or any post, read the post, and leave a authentic and creative comment so that it um, gets the attention of the person. Because a lot of people are doing the same thing. Everyone is leaving comments to connect and engage with other people, but most of them just leaving generic comments like, hey, amazing post, keep sharing, blah 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 blah. If you can make unique post or unique comments, it will help you stand out and connect with more people, and they will be more eager to connect with you. So that's one thing. Let's go to step backs and um, let me show you like the features and everything. So this is the home page. Let's start from here. This is the profile icon. These are my connections. I have 29 connections. I have 3 invitations from other people. I'll accept them quickly. Oh, I think I have a few connections. All right, so now I have 32 connections. Yeah, I'll go back. So I have 30 connection at the moment. This is the saved like option. If I save any post, it will pop up here. This is my business page. You can create business page on LinkedIn as well. This is the recent post. This is just the basic stuff. This is the home. This is the network. It will show my network. I have 32 people connected with me. These are the people recommended by LinkedIn that I can connect with. If I want, I can follow them or connect them. Usually LinkedIn allows you to send connection requests to 20 people every day, so you don't spam it, and it's recommended that you follow the this system. Don't try to send connection request over like 20 per day. Stick to 15 to 20. That's pretty solid. So that's my network. These are the groups I have. These are the contacts and everything. You get the deal, right? Events, newsletter, hashtags, everything. This is the fun part, jobs. So most people come to LinkedIn to find jobs. If you're in that category, this will help you. So this is the my jobs button. If you save a job, I'll show you how you can save a job. So if you save a job, it will pop up here. I have one job that I saved earlier. This is the save button. If you click here, it will be saved here. Video super, I really don't want to save it. So these are the jobs recommended to me. I have a video editing agency, so these are the jobs that are recommended to me. But let's say I want to job alert. Yeah, no, I don't want to. You can create job alerts for the jobs you're looking for. So let's say I'm looking for jobs. Here are all the jobs available on LinkedIn at the moment. The top ones are from the biggest companies and organizations that are hiring. They actually hire continuously, so their poster on top. You'd need to scroll down and find more smaller companies, or like more companies that are genuinely looking for more people, because the top ones are getting tons of submissions from other people. So it wouldn't be helpful if you want to get in that pond. It would be better for you to just look for jobs that are that have lower competition, right? Yeah. So jobs in Bangladesh, I can set the alert on, and for any jobs that are posted here, I will get a notification which will be showed here. I'll go back. So I'll turn it off. You can search like jobs based on your skills and your location. So let's do video editor, New York, search. So these are the job post for video editors in New York. Video editor, 80 to 110k per year. Blah 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 about the job. Blah 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 blah. This one job, there's another job. These are posted 1 month ago, 2 days ago. They said these are the big ones. These are not helpful for most people. These are posted 2 days ago, 2 weeks ago, 1 month ago, 2 weeks ago, 5 days ago, 4 days ago. Yeah, you got the deal. So if I turn this on, I'll get a notification when a new job post for video editors in New York is posted on LinkedIn. It will give me a notification so that I can apply quickly on the job and get listed first, which would give me some level of priority, of course. All right, so that's jobs for you. If you want to see how you can apply to a job, you can just quickly search on YouTube and you'll find a video for that. I'm just gonna give a basic rundown of LinkedIn, because there's tons of features and options that we can dive into, but I'm not gonna do that in this video. I'd rather just show you the basic stuff so that you can get the main gist of it. And if you need any nitty-gritty details, you can comment below, or you can also watch other videos, right? Okay, so this is a notification, pretty simple stuff. Notification, this is a profile. So I'll go to profile. This is the main part. This is the cover. I have a pretty normal one. I would suggest you use a better more professional picture for your cover. This is my workspace name or my company's name. This is my college name. This is my name. This is my small intro, helping business owners scale with content. I'm a content creator, production agency owner. Cool. And I talk about marketing, content creator, content creations, content strategy, and content marketing. Cool. This is my website. This is my contact info, email, LinkedIn profile. I'm based in Sylhet, Bangladesh. Cool. Then you can set all this up. Of course, when you like create a new account, this um, won't be there, and you'll need to add it. I've created videos for each of this in my profile or YouTube channel. You can search them up. You'll search. There's like how to do them on like on YouTube with a simple search, and they are pretty basics, to be honest. Those are very simple and straightforward. If you just go to your page, you'll be able to find it. And the profile picture on LinkedIn is a very crucial one. It's highly recommended that you use a very clear and professional image. It's okay if you do like something like this, which is a little bit different, not really like top notch professional like this one. You can of course do it if you want, but I don't like those type of pictures. I'm a little bit different. I want, and I try to show my personality through the DP. But if you want to do very simple stuff, you can do it as well. No worries. So this is the creator mode. If you turn it on, you'll be able to see your like details about your post, analytics, those stuff. This is the my network. This is my post, comments, videos, images. If I click here, it will show my post. If I click here, I can create a new post. I can share a status, a picture, and video and stuff. So this is my description, what I do, who I am, blah 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 blah. A shortcut to this is that you can make it with ChatGPT. Try to use ChatGPT as much as you can. Just go to ChatGPT and give your basic introduction. Hey, I'm this, I do this, I'm here, I want to do this, and write me a about section for LinkedIn, and it will give you a descriptive about section that will match with your personality, your skills, your goals, and etc. So that would look pretty nice, and you just need to paste it here and it will be done. Here you can see my top skills. These are the top skills I have. I've added this as well. These are my experience. You can come here, show experience, and click here and add your experiences, education, my licensing, my projects, my skills, and that's it. So some of these features might not be on your account when you first get started with LinkedIn. So here's how you can add it. So once you scroll down a little bit or come to the top, if you scroll down, you'll see this button at profile section, or if you go here, you'll see here profile section. So here you can add the core details, the recommended details, additional details. Core details, you have education, position, career break, add skills, feature, license, projects, courses, recommendation, all the stuff. You can add all of these things on your profile. So when someone comes to your profile, they will see all this stuff, and they will be able to learn more about you, which should help them to connect with you and have a discussion with you. If they are hiring, they can know more about you, and yeah, probably hire you as well. So yeah, and I think these are the basic stuff. If you have watched it through, this is just basic stuff. This is the I haven't gone much into detail. I have made other short videos about them, about specific problems and issues that people face, but this is just the basic ones. So if you're a beginner, I hope this was helpful. If you still need any help, just let me know in the comment section and I'll get back to you. Thanks very much for watching. Till next time. Bye bye.